Good afternoon, CRCSD families. It's Thursday, April 2nd, and if you're feeling a little information overload after last night's open houses, don't worry. We're here to help you sift through it all. I'm Isabel.
And I'm Jennifer, filling in for Justin today. Let's hit the ground running and start off with the thing everyone's talking about, the school boundaries.
First off, a huge thank you to everyone who came out to Jefferson, Kennedy, and Washington last night for our community open houses to discuss two possible boundary scenarios.
It's been almost 15 years since CRCSD did our last boundary review and change, so we may know that this feels a lot right now, but as Dr. Landon says, this is about expanding what's possible for our students. Currently, the district is weighing the two boundaries, as Isabel said. Boundary Scenario 1 would keep the current high school boundaries exactly as they are. However, that would not balance enrollment across the district, and some of the elementary schools could hit full capacity very quickly, and Washington would drop below 1,000 students.
And then there's Scenario 2, which involves a slight change to high school boundaries. This would better balance enrollment across all of the schools and would keep Washington above that 1,000 student mark, it aligns Harding Middle School with the Kennedy boundary. Now, if you're thinking, okay, but what does this mean for me and my family? We have Online Address Lookup Tool in the newsletter and our strategic plan website. Just plug in your address and see how each scenario affects your specific school path.
It is a pretty cool tool, so please check it out. And then, of course, more importantly, your voice matters. The community feedback survey is open right now and closes at noon on April 8th. Please take a couple minutes to share your thoughts, your concerns, and questions before our committee brings that final recommendation to the board on April 13th.
Now, we have some exciting news for Viola Gibson family. Kamber Boeckmann has been selected as the next principal starting July 1st.
Kamber is a 22-year veteran to our district and comes from a family of educators. She currently is an instructional coach, which works hand in hand with our principals, so she kind of knows her stuff already.
She'll be working with the retiring principal, Tammy Kua, this spring to make sure the transition is seamless. Welcome to the new role, Kamber.
Parents, it's officially time to start buying those tissues in bulk. Graduation season is right.
Mark your calendars. City View's graduation will be May 19th at 7 p.m. at the CSPS Hall. Metro's graduation, May 20th, 7 p.m. at the Doubletree. Transition Center, May 21st, 1 p.m. at the ELSC.
And for Washington, May 21st at 7 p.m. at the Alliant Powerhouse. Jefferson, May 22nd at 7 at the Powerhouse. And finally, Kennedy, May 23rd at 7 p.m. at the Alliant Powerhouse. ISAP testing is officially underway and runs through April 23rd. Parents, the best thing you can do to help your child perform the best on these tests, prioritize a good night's sleep before the test, have a good breakfast in the morning, make sure they're at school on time, and of course, give them a positive attitude and say you can do your best.
If you need a break from the testing talk, head to CSPS Hall tomorrow night, February 3rd at 7 p.m. The Kennedy Choral League is presenting Iowa's Got Talent live and local. It's a variety show competition, vocals, stunts, comedy, all for a great cause.
Are we going to see you there, Isabel, on stage?
Absolutely not. I have stage fright, but everyone else, you got your shot.
A few quick health and safety reminders. Dental certifications, if you have a kindergartner or a ninth grader, those certifications are due to the school nurse by April 28th, and that is a state law. Immunizations, MetroCare clinics, which are inside some of our high schools, they are offering free vaccines for eligible students. If you're interested, call 319-558-2481. And for our artistic students out there, the state is having a school bus safety poster contest. Submissions are due on April 17th, and the winners will be celebrated across the state.
All right, let's finish up with some smiles, Jennifer. KLA welcomed their newest family member, Valley, a support dog helping students navigate those big feelings.
McKinley kicked off their ISAP week with their second annual pancake breakfast because everything is better with syrup on it.
JSA first graders are mastering collaboration, working in groups to listen and summarize their thinking.
And a shout out to the Maple Grove staff who have gotten their outfits ready for Spring Picture Day. Definitely check out this photo in their social media. It is great.
It's great.
So that's it for this week. Remember, check out the boundary scenarios on our website and take that community survey. It closes at noon on April 8th.
We're building this future together.
Stay future ready.